Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Moratwa, Habiba Sentle. The name of my business is LH Fashion and Beauty Studio. We offer hair care, beauty and fashion services. Under our business, we have a clothing brand called Sugar Coated by Habiba. And how we started the business is when we saw the need, or there was a gap in the market. If I can put it out there, yes, I am a Muslim, and with me being a Muslim, we always struggle to get modest wear. And so when a lot of sisters or women see me working in the street, they always stop me and ask me, where did you get that? That's how Sugar Coated was born. And people can get a hold on me on my Facebook and Instagram is Sugar Coated by Habiba. On TikTok business, it's Sugar Coated by Habiba. My number is 081 425 6447. Hi, my name is Moratwa and I'm a township entrepreneur.